In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock challenges.cloudflare.com so you can get back to browsing or managing your site without constant verification issues. Let's start with the simplest and most common fix: clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores bits of data that can become outdated or corrupted. When this happens, Cloudflare's challenge system might think something is wrong and keep asking you to verify you're human. Go into your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and choose to clear cache and cookies. After that, fully close and reopen your browser, then try visiting the site again to see if the challenge behaves normally. Next, look at any privacy extensions, ad blockers, or VPNs you might be using. These tools can hide or modify information that Cloudflare uses to verify you safely. Temporarily disable your ad blocker, privacy extensions, and VPN, then refresh the page. If the challenge disappears or becomes easier to pass, you've likely found the cause. You can then adjust those tools' settings or create exceptions for the sites you trust. If the problem continues, try switching to a different browser or a different internet connection. For example, move from your usual browser to another one, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or to another network if that's available. This helps you figure out whether the block is tied to your specific browser setup or to your current network. It's also worth checking Cloudflare's status page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. If Cloudflare is having an outage or a partial service disruption, that can cause unusual behavior with challenges. In that case, the best thing you can do is simply wait until they resolve it. If you're on a corporate, school, or otherwise managed network, reach out to the network administrator. Ask them to whitelist challenges.cloudflare.com or review the firewall rules to make sure Cloudflare's challenge system isn't being blocked or filtered in a way that breaks it. For website owners using Cloudflare, you'll want to log in to your Cloudflare dashboard and review your security settings. If your firewall sensitivity or bot detection thresholds are set too high, they can flag real visitors as suspicious. Gently lowering those settings can reduce false positives while still keeping your site protected. Finally, when Cloudflare itself is malfunctioning at an infrastructure level, there may be no reliable fix from the user side. In those cases, patience is key. Once Cloudflare restores normal service, the challenges typically start working properly again.